So we are at school and we're here celebrating the Meskel celebration. I'm not entirely sure on all of the details of this religious celebration, but I'm sure today I'm going to find out lots more and hopefully you learn something too.
መስከረም ሲተባ ወደ አዲስ አበባ በመስከረም ወራት አደይ ሲፈነዳ እንኳን ሰው ዘመዱን ይጠይቃል ባዳ እዮሃ አበባዬ መስከረም ጠባዬ እዮሃ 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 አበባዬ እዮሃ 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 አበባዬ እዮሃ አበባዬ መስከረም ጠባዬ እዮሃ አበባዬ መስከረም ጠባዬ እዮሃ 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 አበባዬ እዮሃ 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 አበባዬ እዮሃ አበባዬ መስከረም ጠባዬ እዮሃ አበባዬ መስከረም ጠባዬ
So Mila, we're at our religious celebration. What's going on?
There's a sign right over
So to wrap it up, Mila wants to say, Meskel.
sir. We have. I will need a ride. Just have one ride to go home and feed my cat. Okay.
Macy, come get yours.
Thank you.
Look at that. Now go. Push.
I'm gonna do mine.
You can do it after. Hold on. Ah.
We get it all on TV. I want something better.
Let's have a look at the view, eh?
I see the pool! I see the pool! I see the pool! Let me see. I see the pool! Let me see. The pool! Dada! This is gonna be their bed.
What?
Crazy.
Yeah. Crazy, eh? Are we gonna go in first? Hey Shelley. Goes my family. Thank you, sir. So we're here at the Hilton. Macy's had a good little swim. This is what our beer came in. It's cold. Cheers. Staycation.
Yeah, perfect.
Nice and cold. Perfect.
How do you know?
Just coming for a little gym session. Dwayne has got the kids. Everything you could possibly need. Happy days. Leo, what do you think of the Hilton?
I think it's great.
Sammy, what do you think?
I think it's really fancy.
Macy, what do you think?
I think it's fancy.
What do you think, Mila?
I think it's fancy.
Nancy?
It's like better than a heater.
Cheers.
How cute it is.
got our photo kids over there. Our enormous and lovely buffet breakfast, and hopefully we're one of the first ones at the pool today. The sun is out.
My mermaid. Guys, I'm not playing right now. I'm gonna go swim at the deep end. Okay, guys,
So the Hilton is definitely family friendly. I think it's ideal for this time of year because the pool's heated. So nice at night time, but also during the day. The kids could be in here as long as you possibly want because they're not getting cold. Recommended. But part of this whole vlog stuff is that even when we came to Ethiopia, we didn't know what to expect, but there's lots of people who have their own ideas from what they see. So a huge part of what we're trying to do is show you that the media is not 100% accurate. Yes, there is some aspects to it, but it's not everything that we see and do. So today we're taking our little family on another excursion to try something different. What are we doing today?
horse riding.
Horse riding. So we're going to go about 1.3 k's from our place, and we're going to have some pony rides. Again, I'll talk to you about prices, what it's like, because we have no idea. What do you remember about horse riding in New Zealand? Hold on to the reins. And do we have to be kind to the horses?
Yeah. And if we are sad, they are sad. And they can feel what we feel.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for that.
I'm sorry, baby.
Good to see you. Out of the sun today.
Very long drive. Look. This is a very long drive. This is a
9 minutes. 9 minutes. Got a 12, mate? You got fashion today? How are you feeling about your first Addis Ababa pony ride?
Shy.
Shy? Does that mean
Shy and happy.
Shy and happy? Macy, how are you feeling about your first Addis Ababa?
Shy and happy.
Anything else that your sister's not?
Excited. Oh, and I'm excited.
Alright, let's be
I'm
excited.
excited. I'm really excited.
Okay. So we got picked up in this nice car and the girls asked the driver to turn up the song because it's a banger. What do you reckon? Hey, hey, hey. So good. Alright, where are we going, girls? Salam, no. Keep going. What's all that horse manure? Whose? Oh, Mace!
It's a horse.
You want to give it a pat? Put your hand out. Oh. Go, give it a pat.
I don't want to. I think you should die. You.
How much?
I don't like it.
You give it a pat. Then give it a pat, Mace. Mila. You going bump, mate? So the girls have just had their 10 minutes, but it was a very generous 10 minutes, so I'd say maybe pushing 15 to 20, going round and round this humble area. The girls had a blast. The horses were beautiful. We thought it was going to be ponies, but it was horses. There's one in there. Meskel.
And this one?
Let's have a look. Go have a look. This one's called Oscar. You can pat at me, Mila. Your hand out. Good girls. And our friend is just going to tell us a little bit about the stables and how long they have been here for.
The stable is established when the Italian is come to Ethiopia to take Ethiopia to colonize. But after that is closed, then we open it again for like 15 years old. The horse they was in golf club. Then they come to here again and they make new club like Addis Ababa Cultural Society.
Excellent.
This is my shoe.